Hello, my friends. All right, here we go. So I am at the Grove Creek Trail in Pleasant Grove, Utah. You can see the maps are kind of all messed up, sun bleached, whatever. But the information board, most of it is unreadable, except where it talks about outdoor ethics and safety. It says to travel with a companion. I don't think I have one. In case of emergency, don't want to be left alone. I understand that. But anyhow, it talks a little bit about weather, dehydration, having a map, animals, and treading lightly. And of course, leave no trace. So, but this is not actually where I'd planned to go. I think my pack right now is heavier than it's been for over a year. Not sure what I have in there different, other than I got like 3 days worth of food. But I mean, I have a little winter gear, a little extra gear for cold weather. It's supposed to get down in 20, probably dip below 20. So we are gonna head to the Timpanogas. Well, it says road. But I don't know. Oh yes, actually there is a road. I've actually been up here before. There is a road up there. And at that road, I actually hang a left to go to the trail. But that's 3.5 miles. That's about where I'm headed up to right away here. And I will stay the night right near there at about 3.5 miles. So, and then tomorrow I will I'll get up and start heading up to another trail. Tomorrow's going to be about 8-9 miles. Because where I wanted to go to summit that peak that I wanted to summit last weekend, but because my batteries died and I didn't have any way to charge them, I got plenty of that this time. That's probably what's so heavy. All these battery packs. But so I'm going to summit that peak tomorrow sometime, and I'll actually show you. If you can see all the way up there. So just below where you see some vegetation up there, that's where I'm going tonight. This trail kind of weaves back and forth up through this canyon. And it's kind of a big trail right now, you can see. But that goes away here shortly to a regular hiking trail. So I'm already wore out, but this pack is like 40 pounds. I don't know what's going on. 3 liters of water when there's a stream right next to me. Why do I need all this water? I don't know. That's all good. But anyhow, so yeah, I'm going to it's going to be quite a long adventure this weekend, and we'll see if there's lots to see. I've been up to this point where we're going tonight, but off to the left I have never been. I've been off to the right. There's a loop. It's like a 1-day deal, but I always turn these into 2 days. So look at this. That's great. I should dump my water out. Now up here a ways, I actually get far from the stream. So there you guys. We'll see you guys in a little while, all right? See ya. Bye. So I'm I don't know, mile and a half up. Chat with some people, but kind of wanted to give you a view here of what I got going on here. So it's kind of a little bit of inversion out there, a little smoggy, but then we get into this here. Let me get out of the picture. Oh yeah, isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah. Absolutely beautiful. But so that mountain right there is the one I'm going to summit tomorrow afternoon. The part I summit is actually, I think it's a little bit further this way, but last weekend I was camped out on the other side of that mountain, and I was only like a couple miles away from the summit at the time I camped out, and it was, it's only like a, I don't know, 6-7 mile trail on that side, but this side, since I have to take some other routes, I think I'm gonna have about a 20 mile weekend in by the time I get up there, because there's no trail that goes up this mountain right through here. I got to take a left up here in about 3 miles, and it kind of skirts around, comes up over another one, and it's a long trail. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow, but I'm good with that. So, but anyway, I'm gonna give you one more look at that. Isn't that just neat? So, but I actually think I'm coming up here where the trail runs across these ledges. It's a little sketchy. Yeah, I think this is it. I'm gonna put you out here a little bit of trail time, all right, guys? Okay, so where it gets sketchy is when it comes up over there, going on those ledges you see right there. That trail kind of runs right across those ledges there. A little sketchy there, but we'll be good. But hey, we'll catch you guys later, all right? All right, bye-bye. I just had the freaking daylight scared out of me. I had to go up into the trees or jump off the cliff. A mountain biker came down. I guess I didn't realize mountain bikes could ride on these trails here, but look how sketchy they are. See, they run right along all this really loose shell. Holy cow. But she come out of nowhere. Scared the freaking daylights right out of me. And she locked up her brakes and apologized. It's like, I didn't mean to startle you. But holy crap, she came in stealth mode. But craziness. Oh wow. Anyway, well, I think I've got about, I don't know, I think I still have a couple miles to go yet to get to where I really want to be. So try to use as much daylight as I can, and yeah, but pretty cool. Very dry. I don't know that I'll see any snow today yet. Probably not till sometime tomorrow when I get up in elevation. So, but I think that elevation, the summit is 11,000, just short of 800 feet. So I'm going to be down a little bit from 12,000. A big one out in the background there. That's the one. Look at this trail. Look at these cliffs. Hoo-wee. Crazy. Alright, so I might not have a couple miles. What I gotta do is I gotta get up into the trees there and right up through that gap there, and yeah, it's not too far away. Not a couple miles, maybe a mile and a half. But I think the sun will probably be down pretty close to down when I get there. Hopefully I've got a sunset. So we'll see you guys when I get there. Bye-bye. Hello, my friends. All right, so I'm getting very, very close. The sunset's kind of falling behind that there mountain, you can see. Yeah, I'm not too far, maybe half mile from where I want to camp, but you know, I've kind of gotten up into these trees here, but I got another absolutely beautiful view for you. Did you see that? Did you see how awesome that was? All right, all right. Oh, what a jerk. All right, so this is the mountain. This is the mountain right behind me here that I believe I'm summiting. So I am actually directly on the other side. Last weekend I was on the other side of that mountain there, down in. But in fact, I got some photos of that there from there. But wow, isn't that beautiful? There's a little shack up there, and I can't see it from here, but it's up there somewhere. So, but we'll stay the night up. All right, hey. You see that? There's like 3 or 4 deer right there. There was actually just some turkeys here a few minutes ago too. Now there's some deer right there. But anyhow, when I get up here a little ways, kind of on the flat up there, there's actually a really nice camp spot down below with a fire pit and all, but I wanted to be able to get the view of the valley. And there's a lake you can see out there behind me. That's a great big lake. It's called Utah Lake, for those of you that don't live here in Utah. Oh, here we go, here we go. Here's some more deer. You guys see that? I don't know if you can see that. She's right there in front of me. But yeah, pretty awesome. So all right, well, I'm gonna get, and we'll come back to you when I get up there. All right, guys. All right, see you in a bit. Hello, my friends. All right, so found a spot to camp. Here's the view that I have behind me. So I don't have my chair set up yet, but I'll get that set up here where I make dinner. But here's my tent and my view of the mountain I'm going to climb. So I can sit there and look at that bad boy while I have dinner and get excited about that. That there sits right around 11,800 feet in elevation. Now this whole trip, mahogany, so it's like an 8,000 some foot elevation gain. But anyway, if I get tired of looking at that mountain and I want to turn my chair around for the other view, I got this view. So I'm not sure which one is best. Oh, look at that, huh? I've been watching the sun. It's unfortunate that I couldn't actually see the sun itself setting, but I still get those colors and then kind of coming off of the lake as well. Wow, wow, wow. So anyhow, so this is where I'm going to set up camp for the night, and I'm going to get to making my dinner. And so we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. You guys have a great one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.